Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Hold My Beer Detailing, your go-to spot for all things car care. Today, we're diving into some essential summer car care tips. We're talking sun, bugs, and everything in between. So, grab your sunglasses and let's get started. First up, the sun. We all love a sunny day, but your car, not so much. Ever sat on a black leather seat after your car's been baking in the sun? It's like sitting on the surface of the sun itself. That's why you need a good sunshade. Not only does it keep your interior cool, but it also protects your dashboard from cracking and fading. Plus, it's like giving your car its own personal sunglasses. Cool, right? But how to protect your interior from the sun while driving? Driving with sunshades is pretty tough, and more importantly, dangerous. Hopefully it's the 21st century, so chemists got you covered. Let's not forget about leather dressing and dash protectors with UV inhibitors. These products are like sunscreen for your car's interior. Leather dressing keeps your seats supple and prevents them from drying out and cracking. Dash protectors, on the other hand, guard against those harsh UV rays that can cause discoloration and damage. Apply them regularly, and your car's interior will look as good as new for years to come. Keeping your engine bay clean is crucial, especially during summer when dust and debris can accumulate quickly. If your engine is covered with a layer of mud, it can overheat. Of course, if you have a modern car, your engine is not air-cooled, but this layer of mud will keep the engine on several degrees hotter, which is not good for the engine in the long run. So why not keep it clean, especially when it's so easy? Use a degreaser and a brush to clean the engine components. Be sure to cover sensitive areas like the battery, alternator, and air intake with plastic bags to protect them from water. Rinse off the degreaser with a gentle stream of water and dry everything thoroughly. If it looks complicated or you are afraid to damage electric components, visit the nearest detailing center so they can make it for you safely. A clean engine bay not only looks good, but also helps you spot potential issues like leaks more easily. Let's not forget about your car's radiator. Summer heat can stress your vehicle's cooling system, and a clean radiator is crucial for keeping your engine from overheating. Over time, dust, dirt, and bugs can clog the radiator fins, reducing its efficiency. Depending on your region, radiators can get clogged even in 1 year. If you notice that your car starts to turn on fans too often, maybe it's time to clean the radiators. The best way to clean them is by removing the radiators and washing in between them. Don't forget that modern cars can be equipped with 2 radiators, one for engine cooling and one for AC. They are installed close to each other, so without removal, you will not be able to wash properly. If you don't want to make it yourself, again, just leave that to professionals. They will make it fast and safe for your car. Next, let's talk about waxing. Waxing your car isn't just for making it look pretty. It's like sunscreen for your paint job. A good coat of wax acts as a barrier against UV rays, preventing your paint from fading. Think of it as your car's protective shield against the sun's harmful rays. And here's an important tip for beginners. Apply wax in the shade, not in direct sunlight. The heat can cause the wax to dry too quickly, making it harder to buff out and leaving streaks. Plus, working in the shade will keep you cooler too. A double win. And if you want to go the extra mile, consider using a high-quality wax. They offer superior protection and a deeper shine, making your car look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Summer bugs. They seem to think your car is a perfect landing strip. Bugs can be a real pain, but here's a trick. Use a microfiber cloth and some bug remover. Spray the area thoroughly and gently wipe those critters away before they can damage your paint. And remember, don't wait too long. The longer you wait, the harder they are to remove. Those little guys can turn into superglue if you're not careful. And here's something you might not know. An alkaline pre-wash with a foam cannon can help loosen bug guts and other grime, making the rest of the cleaning process a breeze. Plus, snow foam is fun to use and looks cool on camera. If you're parking outside, consider a car cover. It's like a cozy blanket for your car, shielding it from the sun and those pesky birds who seem to have a perfect aim. Plus, it keeps your car cleaner longer, so you can spend more time cruising and less time washing. Win-win! When choosing a cover, make sure it's breathable to prevent moisture buildup, which can cause mildew and rust. Custom-fit covers are also a great option as they provide better protection and won't flap around in the wind. If you are lucky enough to have a place near work and home where you can park your car in the shade, you are a lucky guy. Don't forget about your tire. Summer heat can cause your tires to wear out faster. Use a tire protectant to keep them from drying out and cracking. It's like lotion for your tires. Tire protectants contain UV inhibitors that shield your tires from the sun's harsh rays, extending their life. If it's not an argument for you, check out how cool the tires look after application. Yes, now you want it. Check your tire pressure regularly. Hot temperatures can cause the air inside to expand, which can lead to overinflated tire mirrors. Overinflated tires can be dangerous as they are more prone to blowouts. So, make it a habit to check your tire pressure every couple of weeks during the summer. May be obvious, but keep your car clean. Wash off any bird droppings, tree sap, or road salt as soon as possible. These can damage your paint if left too long, and the sun with summer heat makes time to paint damage even shorter. So use a pH-balanced car shampoo to avoid stripping the wax. A gentle pH-balanced shampoo will clean effectively without removing the protective wax layer. For an extra touch, finish off with a quick detailer spray to keep that showroom shine. Quick detailer sprays are great for touch-ups and can help maintain that glossy finish between washes. Remember, a clean car is not just about looking good. It's about protecting your investment. If you need some local cleanups, feel free to use your quick detailer to maintain bird poo dropping without the need of washing the entire car. Next, let's protect that windshield. During summer, sudden rain showers can hit, and having a clear view is crucial for safety. That's where a hydrophobic windshield treatment comes in. This treatment makes water beads up and roll off quickly, improving visibility. To apply, first, ensure your windshield is thoroughly clean. Use a glass cleaner or specialized glass polish to remove any dirt, grime, or residue. For an even better result, use a clay bar to remove any stubborn contaminants that might be stuck to the glass. This will ensure the treatment bonds properly with the surface. Once your windshield is clean and dry, apply the hydrophobic treatment in a circular motion using an applicator pad. Cover the entire surface evenly, making sure not to miss any spots. Let it haze over, which usually takes about 5-10 minutes, depending on the product instructions. After it is hazed, take a clean, dry microfiber towel and buff the windshield until it's clear and streak-free. The treatment forms a chemical bond with the glass, creating a hydrophobic barrier that causes water to bead up and roll off. You'll notice the difference immediately. Water will glide off the windshield during a rainstorm, drastically improving visibility. Additionally, this treatment makes it easier to clean bug splatters, bird droppings, and other debris that can accumulate on your windshield during summer drives. Not only does it enhance safety by providing better visibility, but it also saves you time and effort in maintaining a clean windshield. Don't forget the plastic trim. Summer sun can cause the plastic trim on your car to fade, discolor, and even crack over time. To keep these areas looking fresh, use a trim restorer or protectant. These products not only restore color, but also provide a UV barrier to prevent further damage. First, clean the plastic trim thoroughly. Use an all-purpose cleaner to remove any dirt, grime, or oxidation. A brush can help lift embedded dirt from the textured surfaces. Rinse and dry the area completely before applying the protectant. Next, choose a high-quality trim restorer or protectant. I share the best option on my website, links below. These products are designed to restore the original color and provide a protective layer against UV rays. Apply the product using a microfiber applicator pad. Work it into the plastic trim using a circular motion, ensuring even coverage. Be thorough and take your time, especially if the trim is heavily faded or oxidized. After applying, let the product sit for a few minutes to allow it to penetrate and bond with the surface. Finally, buff off any excess product with a clean microfiber towel. This step ensures there are no streaks or residue left behind. The trim should now look darker and richer and have a uniform appearance. For long-lasting protection, reapply the trim restorer every few weeks or as needed, especially during the summer months when UV exposure is at its peak. This routine maintenance will keep your plastic trim looking new and prevent future sun damage, maintaining the overall aesthetic and value of your vehicle. Summer heat can cause the rubber seals and weather stripping around your doors and windows to dry out and crack. Use trim detailer protectant or silicone spray to keep them pliable and prevent damage. Clean your rubber seals with an all-purpose cleaner. Apply the product to a clean cloth and wipe it along the seals. This not only extends the life of the seals, but also helps keep your car's interior quieter by maintaining a good seal against wind noise. All right, that's it for today's summer car care tips. Keep your car cool, clean, and protected, and you'll be cruising in style all season long. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your fellow car lovers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Hold My Beer Detailing. Stay shiny, everyone, and have a lovely detailing, folks.